Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you for the love and the support. So, my beautiful family, today I'll be going to share with you what does they normally say shall never end. Look, this is Progress the Analyst, and here I keep you updated. I touchlight all the latest happening, and I bring everything to your doorstep. Yeah. So, my people, without not wasting much of your time, let us go into the reason why we are here. Hey, if you not see me, that they laugh this laugh, and I'm not saying 1-3, they do 1-5. My people, a lot is really going on. You know, I told you, I said, you can never fight grace. You see grace? If you try and your leg will break. And that is exactly what is happening to Onyocho today. You see, she is so weak like Dodo. She don't let finish or less. She don't let finish. I tell her, I said, this place, she go come, she will be crying and she will apologize to everybody that she has offended. She is saying a joke. Hey. Can you imagine this one? Saying that nobody is fit to use Simon Ekpa picture nor videos. That they should stop Dr. Ngozi from calling Simon Ekpa's name. And I said, sure. You would have said they should tell Dr. Ngozi from calling Mazina Dikanu's name. Because I don't get it. Are you people trying to sideline the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Mazina Dikanu? You forget that Mazina Dikanu and I hold am. So I don't get it. Every day you use a video that does not belong to you. You use pictures that does not belong to you. You use everything that does not belong to you. And today, I surprise you are saying, hey, let us remove let's stop Ngozi, stop using Simon Ekpa. And you use Ngozi picture every day. Who is fooling who? Bazooka, who is fooling who? Ada Onyoncho, Udele, Ada Gede. Media Suto. Who is fooling who? You never cry. You go cry river this time around. Simon Ekpa sent me a message. Simon Ekpa sent me. So you went to Finland to bring another new mandate. Ada Gede. I am asking you simple question. Did you go to Finland to bring another new mandate? Shame on you. You carry what not belong to you. You don't want anybody to talk. It's only you. So it's only you that Simon Ekpa, it's only that can mention Simon Ekpa's name, Abi. It's only that Simon Ekpa will give message. All the people that went there, how many people bring message come? Now only you bring message. Now only you bring message, fall back. When you refuse to fall back, you are not even ashamed. You were screaming Dr. Ngozi's fundraising. You were screaming USB fundraising. Shame on you. You see your life. You see yourself. To announce that somebody called your attention and said, no, and that what you are doing is wrong. If you want people to fall back, then stream Briggy. And you shamelessly go and stream Briggy. I was surprised. I said, these people said they are so bad. Why I don't know who? Vagabond with a bazooka face. Why you not say, they have to bring Ada inside. Ada need to enter inside. Now gate, you sit down. They refuse to open the gate for you. They refuse to open the door for you. You could not join your mate inside live stream. You see yourself? You could not join your people inside fundraising. You perch for corner of your screen for there. You see, you don't shit for everywhere. Ada Gede, you don't shit for everywhere. Shame on you. You see the way you are. You've just fade like rapper. You fade. I tell you, when they use you, finish, they go dump you. And that is exactly what has happened to you. You're not there left, you're not there right. You're not there middle, you're not there center. Where you there? Where you there at that bazooka? Where you there? So I surprised, let me give her the benefit of that. No, her name is terrorist. Her name is terrorist, as you normally call her. So what has changed? And I want to ask you, Ada Gede, Assistant Bazooka. So you did not tell Simon Ekpa that DOS now they have two. You get it? Two IPOB office here in Germany. Two. now they get, and 2 different leaders for that matter. You do not inform Simon Ekpa, so Simon Ekpa will say, I don't know those people. Then you pass the message to go and give to DOS. I always tell you, I say, this generation where we there, people eyes don't open. You can't fool anybody anymore. You can't deceive anybody. You can't say anything that is not right. You can't bring any negative information. Nobody will take it from you. That is exactly what has happened. That is exactly what you are seeing right now. You they forget say Mazina the Kanu is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Now they have broken into 4 DOS. The one DOS operates, the one Madamine Nanya Brigi USB 4. So why is it that Madamine Nanya did not sue DOS? When DOS tried to sue the family of Mazina the Kanu, in fact, they sued them to court, and the issue was in court. Since then, I make you say Mazina the Kanu, he wash his hand and his leg. He say, no, you can't do this to my brothers. Not that my brothers are against me, my brothers are with me, and you people are doing this to them, accuse them of everything accusable. Mazina the Kanu was angry with it. That was exactly what happened. Before I think the letter withdrew the case. So now can they ask you, this one when that they shout they see Dr. Ngozi, you were so happy, you were jubilating, they don't see Dr. Ngozi. Do you tell someone like they see Dr. Ngozi? Shame on you. Do I hear you calling vagabond? you they call bazooka. Do I hear you calling bazooka? That bazooka should come and fight. You see your life? When una two come from Finland, where una two go drink booze, where vagabond tell you everything that is happening in Brigi. Vagabond start to send messaging direct. All the saboteur in Brigi. You see on our life. Ada Onyoncho, where are you sitting? Vagabond, let us do it together. Vagabond, let us do it together. You see your life. Can you enter inside that place? Inside the place where vagabond, you feel enter, they close their against you. I was even thinking that yesterday now. I don't know who we say, Ada, let us allow Ada Onyoncho to come inside. No, they lock their against you. They refuse to open door for you. They refuse to allow you come in. You were standing at the door, sitting at the door. I say for this place, I go twist you, then you go know your direction. I tell you. I will twist you. You will know how to do the right thing at the right time. Just somebody call you on phone and inform you get luck. You get luck. What I for use your ITC today? If you not believe, you are screaming fundraising. After you said they should fall back to Brigi, they fall back. Or that bad dead. I was surprised though. You say your platform is only platform. You know they really the shame. You know the shame lie. Shame don't come up for you. You are shameless. You are nothing to take qualify. You are beyond repair. Your evil they smell in your putu. Say platform. And they use the platform is only. Nobody should discuss progress the analyst. Shame on you. They will discuss me that your platform. There is where everything started though. You not go nowhere. Now that your platform, now everything starts. Now, Brigi people say nobody should analyze Dr. Ngozi. This one is going to be a better place. So and they look on for Plasma TV. Vagabond bazooka. And they looking for Plasma TV. I tell you, say that my picture when you put for your platform now 2 years ago, use that they draw you. This is not a joke. 2 years only that. Those pictures, those my pictures then. Those pictures you were putting on your platform then. You do this, you do that. I say it's for 2 years. You never even reach 1 year. They don't give you instruction. Don't analyze Dr. Ngozi. Hey, bring the people come out here. Hey, this one won't be better place now. Oh, Jehovah Ebenezer. Brigi people, they sent message yesterday for the medias. Don't analyze Dr. Ngozi. Hey! Ada Onyoncho, Ada Gede. Topico. Ready your topic. What are you using your platform to do? To castigate, to destroy, to scatter, to condemn? What benefits has this your platform brought in? Non-entity like you, what benefits? And you're not going to analyze that. You will not analyze progress the analyst again. You will analyze me. And they tell you, you go analyze me. You go analyze me. You must analyze must arise me. Only how many years you say arise me? Only how many days I'm arising you? You are running away. Which one you see will not arise progress in your platform again? I will not arise progress in my platform. You will arise me because me, I will not stop to arise you because you deserve it. You work my spirits up for you. Never cheat on chin. I told you that they bought gadgets for you. And you are there crying. They're not buying me gadget. They're not buying me anything. No. Now my phone that they use. You feel like I said the government not buy you gadgets. They're not sending you money to take buy something. Can you lie it? Can you say it? The money they are sending you for what? On that bad debt. Not be here you say they pay on that money. Are you not the one that say that they pay you people? Are you not the one saying that they pay you people money? You cry, Saya. You they receive money. Abba, you go cry till this time around. Udele. Who should force himself into freelance court? Who should form himself? Shame on you. Shame you say when you come back, you are going to bring message. That make me buy the contract. I buy that market. I bought Ushe's market. I say no. This case, I didn't buy am. After some time now, I'm not even hearing you saying it. You were deceiving people when you were in Finland. If I come back, a lot day, bra bra bra. When you see Ogidigbongo, they wait for you you don't want me. You see Ogidigbongo when you sit down here, Gelekbe, they wait for you. May you come back for that film, you miss yan. I know hear poor for your mouth. I know hear am. You did not come and give us the message. The message you said that Simon Ekpa said, I did not hear anything. Shame on you. Go court, go stand for window. Poor. Opportunity. Go and sit down, my friend. Go and sit down. I don't even know how these people were coping with people like you. A non-entity all along for that Finland. I be for cabinet. I not just know. I not just understand how they were able to cope with you for this long. Shame on you, on your show. Che. Come out, never finish. Come out. You see 8-hour live stream, you go complete them. I tell you. I say I no want come live stream for your head. You not rich. I no want come live stream for your head. Only videos I want to do for you. Maximum 30 minutes. You go do 7 hours, do 8 hours. Make people call, they call people, they help you. I tell you, cat and dog, come out. Udele. You go Finland, go bring you mandate for Finland bar and markets. You and your mandates, nobody reason you. You say when you come from Finland, anybody know whether one cats? They come from Finland. No, we call they wrong. Nobody reason you now because you're not rich. You're not rich. You see your life. They accuse people, government buy things for them, and now you they receive pass. You see yourself. Abanka. Bazooka, vagabond, come out. You go analyze, you go tire for this one. You go nowhere. You go analyze, you go tire for this one. I say you go nowhere. You go nowhere. Yesterday, Bazooka said, Dr. Ngozi is in Finland. So Dr. Ngozi said, if you know road to go Finland, Abi. I think so now said she don't know road to Finland. I can't go Finland. That you take see her from where you did go, when you go Finland. You see yourself. He's in hotel, it's likely in one hotel in Finland. So you know the hotel finish for Finland. Hey! I talk am. I said that's it when you go do for Finland. Not because you go. That is a lie. Dr. Ngozi is likely in one hotel in Finland. You work out the Finland finish. You work out the hotel finish. In fact, not before that day, you go back. But you shame. Say you booze. You do your hotel room, they sleep. Where people they cut. That very day, you were still in Finland. You still there for Finland. That drink where you drink. You know if you wake up, that morning say go cut. You see yourself. I go tissues touching. Don't booze you and a bazooka with a gede waka ba. With vagabond face like bazooka. I'm so surprised. I don't know you. I don't gede. You buy markets where you buy from vagabond. You never even finish your own. You carry vagabond join your own. You see your life. You carry vagabond join your own. Now you don't drop the two. I think you say I go issue certificate for you, certificate of saga I go give you, certificate of saga I go give you. Say yeah, you doesn't na politician na this. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was once what? Hey, I dey ask you, who be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu before? You know see where Mazi Nnamdi Kanu with microphone for UK, they preach one Nigeria. I be before when they fight Ekpa Madu Nyam Festival. Where Simon Ekpa dey, you no know where he did before. Even you where you dey talk papa poo poo, you were once holding the Nigeria passport. Make I cap you. You were once holding the Nigeria passport. If I thought say you don't get citizenship for where you do, but you were once holding the Nigeria passport. When did they come out for Nigeria? Shame on you people, shame! All of them say there be politicians. Are you people not? Some of them that even talking, they are still holding that Nigeria passport in their hands. May they tell all of them Nigeria passport still in their hands. Nigeria passport, that is what they use. And still they will castigate people. They will put their mouth and start castigating. Tear the Nigeria passport away now. Not the Nigeria passport in your hand. Is it not Nigeria passport that is in your hand? Is it not Nigeria passport with you? Even people where they even get off it at for where they not get any document at all to show for country where they did. They go they shout. She be Nigeria. She be Nigeria. You should be Nigeria, call. Go find your country now. Country where you dey fight for social media where not get on that bad head. In fact, we even need the politicians. Yes. You think say you go just wake up, you want be leader. You think say you want wake up, you want lead. You think that is how it's easy? Without knowledge, without awareness, without you not being informed. Go sleep, my friend. Go sit down from one place. What do you know? What do you know about politics? What did you know? We need the politicians. Yes, I said so. We need them. We need the politicians. We need the idea. If you want to really build your country, you need them. You need the idea. What you not first do before you want to go inside? They say you come meet us. We need the politicians. Yes, we need that knowledge. This is easy. You never be army before. You want to train people as army. Where for the apple? You never be instructor before. You want to instruct people. Shame on you. I don't know. Cho, what do you know? This is na Igbo minstrel. They want to speak for there. Oh, my papa say I be Igbo. You know what they talk. I go cap you for this social media. Na me and you na here the country day. That your country na social media. Then na social media will go do am. Because now there now put me come out from. Yes, so now social media now where you for see me, not be social media you see me. Not be social media you see me, not be social media start to drag me. You never cheat on chin. As they drag me for social media, now social media will go complete am. This is how they play with you. Come, they terrorize me. Continue terrorizing me. They come for you. Or that bad. They say don't finish. I tell you, even when you not drag me, I go drag you. You go nowhere. As far as you say you know the tire to terrorize Dr. Ngozi, you know what this social media make you get rest of mind. You yourself, you not go sleep, you not get rest of mind. That is my promise. You not get rest of mind because enough is enough. You go allow us drink water, put up for ground now. Before you know they allow us drink water, put up for ground. Once we drink water, finish the ground go the cup go remain still because that they talk. Now we want drink water, we'll put cup for ground by ourselves. They arise Dr. Ngozi. As they arise Dr. Ngozi, they chase crowd, they cash out, they get money. That's how I go say I arise you. So anybody where they arise Dr. Ngozi, ready me myself, I go arise you. It's as simple as that. Yes, so because you can never eat your cake and have it. Not let you get mad to they arise. As they arise another person, me myself progress, I go they arise you. They cap me. Bazooka continue to they arise Dr. Ngozi. Me go they arise you also. When they see for what you do that go they arise am. Continue to they arise. It be name. I don't know cho. He never finish his own. He carry bazooka on join body. He carry vagabond join body say he make I not talk to vagabond. I go answer vagabond when I dey talk to her. What did they worry you? You never finish your own now. You don't dey run say you don't want to analyze that progress again. What? Who does that? You don't want to talk to progress again for your platform. Make anybody not call progress them again. You don't cheat on chin. You never start. I tell you, say for this place, I go issue certificate of well behavior for you. You never see anything. No. I said that certificate, I go stamp am. You go use am. You go confirm am. Say, now me, the one and only progress the analyst. Now I give you this one. I go give you media mark for this social media wey we dey. I first tell you I don't know what you say. Now media your country dey. Now here you for start to dey drag me. Now here we go build the country, and now here we go stay. I dey test you. Never cheat on chin. They come for you. Come out for life to make I hear the banzaga where they your mouth. Ada sabogida. They try me. So my beautiful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Where to like the video, share, and subscribe. I still remain your one and only Progress the Analyst, and I will keep updating you on all the latest happening. Once again, blessed Sunday to you all, and bye for now.